It is late summer. While I got a day off, time to do a little boat maintenance. I just want to tell you just a quick couple tips that I use to keep this boat shiny and get that scum line you can see all the way down here, especially in the white. We're gonna get pretty hot throughout the summer. I'm on the water every day, and the best thing to do obviously is get off the water, wipe down your boat, keep it clean. You're on it day after day after day and you're beat out. That just doesn't quite happen, and sometimes it gets away from you. One thing I use is CLR Kitchen Bath, or the new bottle's Brilliant Bath. Okay, I can spray this on there, let it sit. It's just a foam. Okay, and then rub it in with a brush. Let it sit on there just a couple minutes and give it a quick rinse. This isn't, so I'm sure there's some acid of some sort, and CSR products are all pretty strong. You don't want to sit on there for a long time, but I've used this on my Ranger, my Nitro. I got this tip from another buddy, use it on his Lund, no problems ever. And if you do put it on your wheels, really don't let it sit on there very long, though it can eat some of that off. But it works really good. It basically looks like you just waxed the boat. Obviously, hit it, rinse it, spray this on. Spray basically replaces your soap. You can still rinse this off with soap, is a great idea. And then hit it with a power washer. I'm at home. I bought a power washer a couple years ago because I like to keep my boat clean, so I'm washing it a couple times a week. It's going to help get you a head start on the water spots on the motor as well. Doesn't get them off, but it's going to help you with the next step to get those water spots off, which I'll show you here in just a second. So now we get to do the fun part, get those water spots off the motor. Several different ways to do it. The best way is just to do it as soon as you get off the water. Take a couple minutes, wipe that motor down. I love using hot sauce. I get this at Cabela's and Bass Pro. I order several bottles at a time. But some days it just gets ahead of you. You're in a hurry, you get off the water. Sometimes it's 100 and some degrees out, it doesn't matter. You got water spots as soon as you get off. If you stay on top of it, you're gonna keep that sucker shiny. It's gonna be easier to clean in the long run. But if you're like me and you're here today trying to get caught up, a couple things. Mercury makes a cowl finish compound. Okay, this works really good too. Just a little dab of this on a rag, rub it in, take another rag after a little bit, wipe it off, just like your wax basically. It's gonna get those hard water spots off. Really hard water spots, I might even have to hit this motor with this first before I do that one, is a hard water stain remover. This is a biocleanproducts.com. Somebody else turned this on to me. It was Jared Fredericks. Works real well, same deal. Put it on your rag, circular motions, rub it in, let it sit, and then wipe it off. This does a real good job of getting those really hard water spots off. Follow that up by this cowl finish compound. That thing is gonna shine and look just like the day you bought it. So keeping these things clean is going to help you get it sold easier. It's going to look better, and I think it just is going to like it a little bit more. It's probably going to perform a little better for you too. So we all like clean boats. These aren't cheap. Just take good care of them, and they're going to take good care of you. All right, folks, now we got the motor shined up. The CLR Kitchen Bath stuff works great. It's kind of a soap replacement, getting that scum line off, and it looks like you just waxed it, but it's not wax. So hit your boat when you're done with some Lucas Oil Slick Mist, some of the hot sauce. It may shine, but it doesn't have that benefits of the wax to repel the water to keep it off. Make it easier to clean for you next time. Lucas Oil products are awesome. There's a ton of them. Hit your tires with a little tire shine, wipe them down. Boat's gonna look great, ready for you to get on the water and not just catch fish, but look good doing it. So see you on the water.